Want to connect your HP printer to Wi-Fi and start printing wirelessly? It's easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to connect your HP printer to a Wi-Fi network and get it printing wirelessly in just a few minutes. I'm using an HP DeskJet 4252E for this tutorial. If you have a similar HP printer, so you can follow along. If you're using a different model, let us know in the comments and check out our channel for more setup guides. In case you need extra help, call the numbers on the screen. Let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Connect using HP Smart App. First, turn on your HP DeskJet 4252 printer and wait for it to fully boot up. Go to your printer's control panel and find and cancel the wireless buttons. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for 3 seconds to activate Wi-Fi setup mode. After 3 seconds, check if the power button light starts flashing and wireless light starts blink. This means your printer is ready to connect. Make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network before proceeding. Download the HP Smart App from your phone's App Store and create or sign in to your HP account. If you need help downloading the HP Smart App and creating an account on your phone, check out our other videos linked in the description. Once your HP Smart account is all set up, navigate to the app's home screen and select Add Printer. Select New Printer, then tap the HP DeskJet 4200 series option. Wait while the HP Smart App detects your Wi-Fi network. Just give it a moment to find it automatically. Once your Wi-Fi network name appears on the screen, enter your password and then tap Continue. The app will now prompt you to press the blinking information button on your printer's control panel. Head over to your printer and press that button now. Once the printer successfully connects to your Wi-Fi, go back to your phone and tap on Continue button. Read through the printing services information and tap on Accept All to agree to the terms. If prompted to install paper and ink cartridges, go ahead and do that now and tap on Done. Finally, your HP DeskJet 4252E printer will appear at the top of the app's home screen, ready to print wirelessly. Perfect! If you've successfully connected your printer using the HP Smart App method, you're all set and ready to start printing wirelessly. But if you prefer a more direct connection without using an app, or if the first method didn't work for you, there's another option, WiFi Direct Setup. Method 2. Connect via WiFi Direct Setup. First of all, make sure you've loaded paper into the printer's paper tray so it's ready to print. On your printer's control panel, find and press the wireless button to enable Wi-Fi Direct Setup mode. Check the printer screen to make sure it displays the Wi-Fi Direct icon. If you don't see it, press and hold the wireless and resume button together for 3 seconds to activate Wi-Fi Direct mode. Once that's done, press and hold the information and resume button on your printer to print an information page. Wait for the printer to print the information page. Once it's printed, find your printer's Wi-Fi Direct name and password on the information sheet. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and turn Wi-Fi on. Make sure your Wi-Fi is already connected to your Wi-Fi router. Search for available Wi-Fi devices on your phone. Just give it a moment to scan for nearby networks. When you see your printer's Wi-Fi Direct name in the list, select it to connect. Enter the Wi-Fi Direct password from your information page that your printer printed earlier. Make sure you type it correctly. And finally, your HP DeskJet 4252E is now connected via Wi-Fi Direct. You can now start printing anything you like wirelessly.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.